Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this pink desert princess look. This is the look that I'm going to be rocking at Coachella this year, so stay tuned and let's get started. So first off, I'm going to start by applying sunscreen because we all know that the sun in India is so harsh and we want to make sure that our skin is protected. I'm using this one by Obagi and it's SPF 50, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my face. After that, I'm going to go ahead and put on some chapstick to protect my lips. I'm using this one by Burt's Bees, but go ahead and use whatever is your fave at this moment. Now I'm going to go ahead and start on my face by laying down the foundation, which is primer. I'm using the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Eclat Blur primer, and this is great because it truly just blurs everything out. After primer, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm currently using the Yves Saint Laurent All Hours Full Coverage Matte Foundation in BD30 Almond, and I'm just going to blend that all in with my Beauty Blender. After that, I'm going to go ahead and set my foundation with Powder in Light Medium by Glossier. And honestly, from my past experience, I don't really recommend baking because in the heat and the sweat, it really clogs your pore and it's not really worth it. So go ahead and embrace the dewy and go ahead and just do a light powder over your foundation. Now let's go ahead and define the brows. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in dark brown, and I'm just going to outline and fill in some of the parts that are missing. I'm going to really tame down my brows with Boy Brow by Glossier in black. And the reason that I use my brow definer in brown and then my brow gel in black is because my hair is black and brown, so I try to go ahead and match that. Now I'm going to get started on the eyes. I'm using the Naked Basics palette and going in with Naked 2. I'm going to sweep that color all over the outer third of my crease line and work it kind of blending it softly towards the center. After that, I'm going to go ahead and lay down a foundation for my eyeshadow. I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Yogurt. They describe it as a pearly light brown, but really it has this pink undertone to it. So I'm just going to swipe that all over my eyelid. I'm going to go over the Jumbo Eye Pencil Foundation with one of my new favorite eyeshadows, which is Lid Star by Glossier, and this is in the color Cub, which they describe as a rose gold with warm shimmer effect. And yeah, basically it's not a powder shadow, it's more of like this liquid texture that you then pat onto your eyes. So basically what I do is go ahead and apply that to the lid and then pat it in with my finger. Sorry, I don't mean to flip you off. I don't know why, but I just favor my middle finger for this. So yeah. Going back in with my Naked Basics palette, I'm using the color Faint, which is the darker brown color, and I'm going to use that to kind of create like a smoky effect on the outer third of my eye. After I'm all done with my eyeshadow, I'm going to define my brow bone and my inner tear ducts with Lid Star by Glossier in Moon this time, which is the sheerest cream base with bluish opalescent glimmer. I don't really see a blue, I guess there's just a nice shimmer to it, but I love the way it picks up under the sunlight. So this is the part where you can really make it your own. If you love having a cat eye, then go ahead and add a cat eye. Just starting a few years ago, I really stopped wearing eyeliner, and that's because I started getting lash extensions. And actually, I'm going to be getting lash extensions again for Coachella, and I just find that it's easier because in the past when I've worn falsies to music festivals, I just sweat and dance them off. Literally by the second set that we're watching, people are like, Glara, where'd one of your eyelashes go? And I'm like, oh my god, that's so embarrassing. So I just go ahead and get lash extensions, so I don't really wear eyeliner with those. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and put on some falsies. I'm wearing the Ardell Demi Wispies and using the Black Duo eyelash glue. Now moving on to one of my favorite steps, contouring, adding some dimension back to my face. I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer, and I love this bronzer because it smells like chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and do my cheeks, my chin, and then around my face using the 3 guideline. And then I'm also going to contour my nose just a tiny bit. Then I'm going to line my lower lash line with a rose gold pinky shade. I'm actually using one by N Cosmetics. This is from a long time ago when she first launched her cosmetics brand, but they don't make this anymore. But I would recommend using something similar, possibly from Urban Decay. Now it's time to hit that highlight so that I'm glistening under the Coachella sun. I'm using Hustla Baby by Fenty Beauty to go ahead and highlight my cheeks. And I'm just going to address this question. I do not use a blush, and that's because I naturally run very hot and my pink blush always comes through, so it looks like I'm wearing blush even though I'm not. But obviously if you're not like me, then go ahead and put on your favorite blush. I think like a nice pinky rosy tone would look awesome with this look. The final step is to set all of my hard work. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and then spritzing that all over my face. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If I see you at Coachella, please say hi. I'll be rocking this look every single day. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or hit the like button, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!